Welcome to Water Heater Wiz, your go-to source for all things water heater related. Today, we're highlighting the benefits of the Rocklin heat pump water heater. Imagine waking up to a warm shower every morning. The Rocklin heat pump water heater ensures you start your day right, without the shock of cold water. Here's why the Rocklin heat pump water heater stands out. Energy efficiency. Transfers heat instead of generating it, saving you money on energy bills. Environmental friendliness. Uses renewable energy from the air or ground, reducing your carbon footprint. Reliable performance. Provides consistent hot water, so you never face a cold shower again. At Water Heater Wiz, our expert technicians are dedicated to installing and maintaining Rocklin heat pump water heaters. We offer top-notch service tailored to your needs. Choosing the right water heater impacts your comfort and budget. Our team is here to guide you in selecting the perfect Rocklin heat pump water heater for your home. Ready to enjoy endless hot water? Contact Water Heater Wiz at 916,999 Heat or visit waterheaterwiz.com for a free consultation. Join the satisfied homeowners in Rocklin who trust Water Heater Wiz to make their homes warm and comfortable, one hot shower at a time.